Let sine of alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 13 and cos of alpha plus beta equal to 3 by 5, where alpha beta are from this range of pi 0 to pi by 4. Then tan 2 alpha. Okay, we need to find tan 2 alpha in this, so it is a very simple and effective question. First of all, we should know the properties of this trigonometric function. We can have tan as sine upon cos theta, right? So we can also have this, there is a general formula for tan 2a, that is 2 times tan a upon 1 minus tan 2a. So for tan we can replace it with sine upon cos. We have already these functions, and we can simply find the value of tan 2a. Let's see. Here we have this like this, just like that. We are applying this formula for tan 2a, that is tan alpha plus beta upon tan alpha minus beta. So instead of tan we are replacing sine by cos. So we are getting these equations and we are just putting these values, and we will get this solution 63 by 16. We don't need to use this pi by 4 range, that is given just to confuse the students about the question. There is nothing to do with this range in this question, because we have alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta already in this equations. So from that we can easily relate the values, and for just like tan 2a we can simply put these values in this. There's a simple substitution method which is being applied to this question, and it is a very simple and important question for JEE mains.